In this video, I'll show you how to load your repo into Purecode AI to generate a context index. First thing you're going to do is just open your file as normal. I have a real estate website here as an example. So you can see I've loaded my folder. I'm going to go ahead over to Purecode AI and simply go to Advanced Settings here. You should see your repo path right here. And this will automatically take place, but if you want to, you can click and re-index your file, and this will make sure that everything is up to date. And then you're ready to get started. You can start up your dev server just like normal. And you'll see our app pop up over here. And that's it. That's how you load your repo into Purecode AI.